Hello, Arc Tyndall. This is Miss Sinha here. I'm going to talk you through the Year 4 multiplication tables check, which all children in Year 4 are expected to do in June 2021. First of all, why are the times tables important to learn in primary school? So we know that times tables are a basic skill, and that if we can recall our times tables, we're more confident in maths. Fluency is also important. Knowing your times tables will help you understand long multiplication and division. The times tables are also important because every child has a mathematical toolbox. They need to know why and how times tables work. Knowing your times tables also helps you to promote your sense of number and supports with counting, grouping, estimation and time. If children are able to recall their times tables confidently, they're also able to problem solve because they will be able to solve maths problems in much less time. Thinking about the bigger picture as well, the times tables can also help you in your everyday lives. For example, if you're out shopping or if you're wanting to share sweets or toys with other people. The times tables expectations for each year group. So, as you can see from the slides, these are outlined here. So the learning of the times tables starts all the way down in year 1, where children are expected to count in multiples of 2, 5 and 10, and they also use doubling and halving as well. In year 2, children must know and use their multiplication and division facts for the 2, 5 and 10 times tables. They also need to be able to recognise odd and even numbers. As we go up to year 3, children are expected to know and use the multiplication and division facts for the 3, 4 and 8 times tables. And by the time they come up to year 4, children are expected to know and use the multiplication and division facts for the times tables up to 12 by 12. And in year 5 and 6, they should be very secure and know all of their times tables and division facts. In year 4, you can help your child in several ways. In year 4, we have to learn our 6s, 7s, 9s, 11s and 12 times tables before we can do the multiplication check in June 2021. There are several ways that you can help at home. Some of these ways are listed below on the slide. For example, you could have a times table dance mat at home where you write down the multiples of the 6s or the 7s times tables and then you arrange them randomly. You can then say, for example, a question to your child, A multiplied by 6. Children then need to run to the multiple and touch the answer with their foot. Another activity that you could do with your child is say the next number. So if I'm focusing on the 9 times table, I can start off the sequence and I could say 9 and then your child could say 18. I would then say back 27 and then your child would say the next multiple of 36. Also, songs are a great way to learn your times tables. So at Arc Tyndall, we will often be rolling the numbers with children. So you might ask your child to can you roll your numbers to 9? And then they'll sing the song and roll their numbers in the 9 times table. In year 4, we will be doing the government times table check, and this will take place in June 2021. It's an online test that is done on the computer within school. There are 25 questions on the times tables and they range from the 2 times table up to the 12 times table. There are 6 seconds for each question, which is quite a short length of time to know your times tables. And there is also a 3-second rest between each question. To support your child in this check, we recommend that you focus on the 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 times tables. This check is done in order to help teachers identify which children are struggling and which times tables we can give them some more support on. So when they do the times table check in June 2021 on the computer, they will be presented with a screen like this. So as you can see here, we have the question 5 multiplied by 6, and there is also a number pad below. Children, if they're using the computer, will use the number pad on the keyboard of the computer, and they'll type in within 6 seconds the answer 30 and then press enter. To help your child prepare for the times table check in June 2021, in their half-term learning pack that they've been given by their teachers, Miss Hopley and Miss Obad, they will have a sheet which looks like this. On this sheet, there are several websites listed that children can sit down with you and practice their times tables. The best websites to use are the top 2 websites listed, which are the Times Table Online Quiz and Maths Frame. With Maths Frame, this is a particularly good website because you can focus on the times table that your child is struggling with, and then you can also set a timer as well about how to use on the times tables. If you have any questions or need any more support, please feel free to contact me on the Year 4 email address, which is t.year4@arktindleprimary.org. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's been helpful for you. Goodbye.